Hi student, this is Aragya ma'am from Maxinol அனைத்திலும் கணிதம். In term Unit 4 measurement part 2. In this video we are going to focus on exercise 4.1 second sum and third sum. Exercise 4.1 second one, add the following. First question, 4 kilogram 250 gram plus 3 kilogram 450 gram. See here ma, in length lesson in first term we have already done this, the same procedure we are going to do here also, so don't panic about this. Just I'll help you. Two things you have to do. One is we have to write under the heading of place value. Okay, then second one is here kilogram and gram is given, isn't it? So we need to split under that heading also, like this. I'll help you. See here, first topic is 1000, 100, tens and ones, isn't it? So we need to start with the place value first, then kilogram and gram. So நல்லா பாருங்க, இதுல பாத்தீங்கனாலே தெரியும், இது ones, tens, 100, isn't it? So the next will be 1000. அந்த ஆர்டர்ல போட்டுக்கங்க, ஓகேவா? Then as usual you have to fill the place and then do addition, right? So now 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5, you know that 10, so 0 must be down and 1 must be carry over to 100th place, isn't it? Then as usual 1 plus 2 plus 4 7, 4 plus 3 7. Finally we need to take out the answer and write like this only, because they have given in a kilogram and gram, இல்லையா? So we need to write the answer also in the same way, like this, 7 kilogram and 700 gram. This is also very important ma. Just you have to write the answer like this only. Second one, here 75 gram 430 milligram plus 750 gram. So listen carefully ma. இங்க gram கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, milligram கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. In second term, second partல 750 gram only they have given, isn't it? No need to worry about that. Just we fill with that 0 like this. See, place value கொடுத்தாச்சு, then gram and milligram, and then come to our part. So 75 gram and 430 I entered, then 750 gram la fix பண்ணிட்டோம், ஓகேவா? But in milligram I entered 000, that's it. Just you add now, 0 plus 00, 3 plus 03, 4 plus 04, 5 plus 05, and then 7 plus 5 12, so 2 down and then 1 upon the lakh, right? So 1 plus 7 what? 8. So finally answer must be 825 gram and 430 milligram. Clear? Second question, third sum, 97 kilogram 45 gram plus 77 kilogram 450 gram plus 33 kilogram 250 gram. See here, in this question we have 3 sets, so you have to enter carefully, okay ma? So just fill all the answer, fill all the question, then as usual you have to add. நல்லா பாருங்க, இங்க 97 kilogram இருக்கு இல்லையா? So and 45 gram, so kilogram கீழ 97 வந்துருச்சு, gram கீழ நல்ல கவனமா 1 tens அந்த ஆர்டர்ல தான் எழுதணும், ஓகேவா? இங்க 45 இங்க போடக்கூடாது. Clear? Okay, like that you have to enter all the question and then as usual you can do your addition. So come to the one place, 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5 only. Then here 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, so 4 down and then 1 above the 100. Now as it is 1 plus 4 plus 2 7, then come to the 1000th place, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 3 17, so 7 down and then 1 must be above the 10,000 place value. Okay, now as it is at 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus here 7 plus 3 also 10, so 10 plus 10 20, 0 down and then 2 above, and then there is no question, so just you bring down the 2 also here. So what will be the answer ma? 207 kilogram and then 745 gram. Just you can think about that. இங்க நம்ம 1 tens அப்படிதானே பிரிச்சிருக்கோம், இங்க 207 தானே சொல்றீங்க. Yes, you're right, but according to the kilogram, நீங்க அந்த டேப்ல காலம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். ஸோ மில்லிகிராம்ல இருந்து அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா ரைஸ் ஆகி தான் நமக்கு கிலோகிராம் அப்படி அந்த டாப்ல போகும். am I right? ஸோ அந்த ஆர்டர் படி பார்க்கும்போது our place value is right, but for our convenience we are saying this 207 kilogram and 745 gram. Hope you understand. So come to the fourth one, 75 kilogram 400 gram plus 30 kilogram 250 gram. So this is easy for you, just two sets only. Just add like this, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 0 5, then 7 plus 3 10, as usual 0 down and then 1 above the lakh column. There is no question, so bring down the 1. So 105 kilogram and then 650 gram. Clear ma? Exercise 4.1, third sum, subtract the following. First question, 40 kilogram 350 gram minus 25 kilogram 200 gram. See here, for doing addition or subtraction, this is the only rule. One thing you have to do. First one is, we have to write all the numbers under the heading of place value. Okay. Then we have to split into unit. அது என்ன மெஷர்மெண்டா இருக்குதோ அந்த யூனிட்க்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி பிரிக்கணும். In this they have given us kilogram and gram, isn't it? So அந்த heading ஆவும் பிரிச்சிருக்கணும் like this. I'll give the answer, just check it out. See here, at the top ல place value இருக்கா, 1 10 100 1000 10000, isn't it? அதுக்கு கீழ kilogram gram னு பிரிச்சிட்டோமா. Now all the numbers filled in an exact place. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி கரெக்டா பிரிச்சா மட்டும்தான் we get the exact answer, right? So now as usual we can do our subtraction. 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 3 minus 2 1, 0 minus 5 is not possible. Let us get the share from 10,000. Okay, so cancel 0 and then cancel 4 also. Now if we share from 4, it will turn into 10, here 3. Okay, so இங்க நல்லா கவனிங்க, control yes, 10,000 minus 5, 10 minus 5. Listen here ma, இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதோட heading பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1000 இல்லையா, இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 10,000. so அப்ப 4 10,000, அதாவது 40,000 ல இருந்து இங்க ஒரு 10,000 தான் நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்கோம், right? so 10,000 ல இருந்து 5,000 போச்சுனா தான் மீதி நமக்கு 5,000 கிடைக்கும். clear ma? so இந்த place value மட்டும் விட்டுறக்கூடாது. எப்ப எழுதினாலும் all must write with the proper place value. so இங்க as usual, இங்க 40,000 ல ஒரு 10,000 கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா இங்க 30,000 தான் இருக்கும். see here, 3 into 10,000 30,000. then அந்த 3 into 10,000 30,000 ல 20,000 போச்சுன்னா as usual இங்க 1 தான் வரும். that means 1 10,000, that is 10,000 only. hope you understand. Fine. Now we need to take it out the answer like this, that is 15 kilogram 150 gram. So come to the second question, 35 kilogram 850 gram minus 18 kilogram 500 gram. So as usual I give the tabular column, check it out, 35 850 and then 18 500. Yes, now I am going to do the subtraction. Listen carefully. 0 minus 0 0 ma, 5 minus 0 5, 8 minus 5 3. This and all simple subtraction. See here, 5 minus 8 is not possible. So as usual cancel 5 and 3, just share from 10,000 once again. கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா அங்க 15 ஆயிடும். So here 2. So 15 minus 8 7, then 2 minus 1 1. So இந்நேரம் mind calculation subtract பண்ண பழகி இருக்கணும். Okay, answer 17 kilogram 350 gram. Hope you understand. Subtract the following. Exercise 4.1, third question. Here kilogram and gram, isn't it? Okay, let us do. I fill the question. 985, 475, 275, 325. Okay, I fix all the questions. Now 5 minus 5 as it is 0, 7 minus 2 5, 4 minus 3 1, Once again, 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. It's a simple subtraction, isn't it? So only thing you have to split. That's it. So answer is 710 kilogram and then 150 gram. Come to the fourth question. Here 700 kilogram minus 300 kilogram 500 gram. So நல்லா பாருங்க இங்க கிலோகிராம் மட்டும் தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க first setல, second setல kilogram and also gram. So as usual, let us fill with the tabular column like this. So நல்லா பாருங்க kilogram கீழ 700 is there, but in grams column we enter filled with 0. Okay வா? So அதில ஃபுல்லாவே 0 0 0 ன்னு போட்டாச்சு because we need to do the subtraction from 700 kilogramல இருந்து தான். Okay வா? Okay. Now இப்ப பாருங்க 0 minus 0 0. Once again 0 minus 0 0. Here 0 minus 5 is not possible. So cancel 0. Let us get the share from thousands column, but there is nothing in the thousand column also. So once again cancel that also. Come to the 10,000 column. Oh my god. In that also there is nothing. So cancel. So, okay, lakh. We can get the share from lakh ma. So now as usual அங்க 6 மாத்திட்டு இங்க ஒரு 10 கொடுத்துப்போம் இல்லையா 1 கொடுத்தோம்னா இங்க 10 ஆயிடும். Once again அங்க 10,000ல இருந்து இப்ப 1000க்கு ஷேர் கொடுக்கணும். So cancel that 10 also and then give 1 here and then அங்க 9 ஆயிடும். ஓகேவா? Fine. Once again we need to give the share to 100 column. So cancel this 10 also and then 9 and then here 10. That's it. Now we can do the subtraction. 10 minus 5 5. இப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1000க்கு மேல 9 தான் இருக்கு. Okay. So 9 minus 0, yes 9 only. And then 10,000க்கு மேல 9 only. So 9 minus 0 9 as it is. இங்க lakh மேல 6 இருக்கு. So 6 minus 3 3. So this will be the answer. So answer is 399 kilogram and 500 gram. Is it clear ma?